Hey everybody, it's Brendan back here again with Brendan's Mobile Detailing. So as mentioned, with the chemical that we're going to be using to fill the Tornado with is the product right here. It's Auto Valet. So it's called D-Lim Clean Plus by Auto Valet, and this right here is the product that you want to be using inside your Tornado cleaning gun. So it actually gives you like the full breakdown of like how much you should be diluting it. And this is a great product here for putting in the canister of the Tornado, which I will show you guys in 1 second. Okay, so I've already poured in my desired amount that I need, and this is my Tornado that I'm going to be working with, the Black Edition, and this is by Auto Valet. So for anybody looking to pick yourself up one, highly recommend it. Auto Valet Black Tornado gun. So that's it, everyone. Black Tornado gun. Go check yourself out one. Go grab yourself one. Auto Valet, and you can't go wrong with having one of these in your arsenals. So be sure to follow Brennan's Mobile Detailing, and here we are.